左前方何者かが来る向かってくるぞミスター
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Die!
ショルノ、ダランチャこの敵に用心しろ
I wonder where this fat fuck floated in from.
Harry Potter and the Legend of the Cock, a Harry Potter fanfiction. As Harry plowed Ron roughly and thoroughly, his throbbing cock began to slowly expand. Ron cried out in pain as it grew. "Harry, please, make it stop," he cried out. But Harry only laughed softly as his monster cock grew further, beginning to pierce Ronald's internal organs. Ron cried out. His pain slowly turned into simple joy as he accepted his fate and allowed himself to assimilate into Harry's elephantine schlong. Slowly becoming one with Harry's manhood, the joyous laughter of Ron and Harry attracted the attention of another student, Hermione Granger. She walked into the door, curious as to what the boys found so funny, and found the sight of Harry's immense meat stick to be shocking. Attempting to leave the room, but it was too late for her. The door slammed behind her, the psionic power of Harry's love stick attracting her as well. Why is this stick psychic? No, she cried out, unable to stop her assimilation with the Harry's glistening colossus. Fucking what? With the assimilation of their good friend, Harry's humongous cock now smashed through the roof of their dorm. Students, one by one, ran into the room in search of the cause of the commotion, only to find themselves absorbed into the greater power that was Harry's titanic cock rocket. Fucking what? Oh my god, why? Soon it smashed through the feeble roof of Hogwarts, and within moments it dwarfed the school, casting a great shadow over London, and within hours, Harry's Alabama meat stick was as large as the...
エンジンに異常がないか調べてみる。
かわいいね。ここまだ痙攣してるよ。